In sales, call timing makes all the difference. Missed follow-ups, disorganized call logs, scattered notes, it's not just inconveniences. They're lost opportunities and revenue left on the table. And without a reliable phone system, even your Pipeliner CRM turns cluttered, incomplete, and inefficient. It only leaves you chasing after previous conversations, figuring out where things left off. The trouble? Every missed detail costs you your next big deal. Meet CrispCall integration for Pipeliner CRM. Sync contacts instantly, auto-log every call and SMS, and attach real-time notes and tags without extra stress. With CrispCall, your CRM stays clean, complete, and ready for the next move. Ready to get started? It's quick and easy. Simply log into your CrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations and search for Pipeliner. Then just connect. CrispCall will prompt you for your Pipeliner details. Now, on your Pipeliner account, open the Applications and click on Administration. Create a new API application and assign a name and email. Copy the API access details and add them to CrispCall. Submit for activation, and it's ready. Your Pipeliner CRM is integrated successfully. With CrispCall, you can enable or disable integration settings for Pipeliner CRM instantly. Adjust your data sync preferences under General Settings. Then head to Workflow Settings to configure how your specific data syncs. For clearer tracking, assign separate numbers for calls and SMS, keeping logs sorted without the hassle. After customization, open your Pipeliner account and close more sales in no time. Log every call on the go, make follow-ups in time, and track your sales anytime you need it. Facing issues managing your sales leads? Just create the contact. Whether in CrispCall or Pipeliner, the details sync both ways automatically. No double work, no duplicate entries. Once your contact is synced, you can make calls directly from Pipeliner. To make calls, first install the CrispCall dialer extension in your browser. Then go to Contacts in the footer bar of your Pipeliner dashboard, pick a prospect you're reaching out to, click on the CrispCall icon, and select the call option. Now you're without switching any tabs and saving time. During a call, use the same dialer to easily add tags, jot down notes, and sync everything directly into your Pipeliner. Your records stay sharp, organized, and up to date, all in real time. Need SMS for follow-ups? After clicking the CrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your message, and send it. As simple as that. Stop losing sales to missed logs and manual chaos. Integrate CrispCall with Pipeliner CRM today and transform every conversation into a perfectly timed sales opportunity. Stay synced, sell smarter. Start now.